Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video, I'm going to talk about two of my favorite plugins in WordPress to optimize your files and images. So one of them is Smush. It basically compress and optimize all your images. If you don't have your images optimized, you can basically load this plugin in your WordPress theme, and it will do the rest. So you can see the active installations is more than a million, and it's supported 4.6 or higher WordPress version, and the number of 5 stars it has is mind-blowing. So you can see the product is very good, and this is by WPMU Dev. This is a very renowned developer. So, yeah, you can just give it a shot. And if you are dealing with problems with your images in your WordPress theme, then this plugin may help you out. So the second plugin that I want to talk about is WP Optimize. This is a very good plugin as well. This is by David Anderson, Rohani Ravin, and Team Updraft. So this is equally great plugin, and what this does, this will clean and optimize your database. This will just give you the option to compress your images, and it will eventually allow you to cache your pages for super fast load time. So one of the major thing in search engine ranking position is load time. So the faster your website is, the better your visitor conversion will be, because no one wants to wait for a website to load. So if your website is taking too long to load, then you have to optimize it, and for that this plugin is a very good option that you can choose for your WordPress theme. This is very simple. All you have to do is just download it and upload it to your WordPress theme, and you can just do the rest with a simple press of a button. So it's very easy. It has over 900,000 active installations, and the 5 stars are good as well. So this is an equally amazing plugin like the previous one. So you can check these two plugins if you want to optimize your files and images and your database. So yeah, and you can just make your website speed faster than ever with this plugin. So if you have any good plugin in your mind, then you can suggest me in the comment box as well, so that I can give it a try as well. I'm always open to try new things here and there. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.